Welcome to today's episode at the Pet Shop, where furry friends and wagging tails are the center of attention. Our story begins with a delightful encounter between a customer and the friendly shop assistant, surrounded by the joyful chirps of budgies and the soothing sight of swimming goldfish. Hi, do you sell food for small dogs? Yes, we do. What kind of dog do you have? A little brown poodle. She's only 1 year old. Aw, so cute. We have chicken and beef flavor. I'll take the chicken one, please. Sure. Anything else? Maybe a new toy too? As the customer scans the vibrant aisles filled with squeaky toys, bouncy balls, and plush animals, we're reminded of the endless choices every pet owner faces. From durable chew toys to the soft comfort of a teddy, let's think about what each unique personality of a dog might enjoy. We have a great selection of toys. Are you looking for something in particular? Something that squeaks, maybe. She loves a good challenge. Ah, perfect. Here's one that's both durable and fun, with an irresistible squeak to keep her entertained. A, that sounds ideal. I'll take it. How about something for treats? B, our treat section has grain-free organic options, perfect for training or just a little reward. A, great. I'll grab a bag of those too. With the purchase settled, we watch the customer leave, arms filled with the essentials to make a happy pup's day brighter. It's heartwarming to see the bond between owners and their pets, knowing that these small gestures of care contribute significantly to their well-being. Remember, a visit to the pet shop isn't just about picking up supplies. It's about celebrating the joy pets bring into our lives. Whether you're a longtime pet owner or considering a new furry addition, every visit is a step towards ensuring these companions live their happiest lives. Thanks for joining us today at the Pet Shop. Until next time, give your pet an extra pat and remember, they love you just as much as you love them.